You spend almost 25 years of your life on a mattress, but most people have no idea what's actually inside it. And the difference between a good mattress and a bad one isn't what you feel in a showroom, it's what's hidden inside. I'm in Foshan today at SweetNight. This factory exports millions of dollars worth of mattresses every month to US, Europe, and Australia. Today you are going to see exactly how they build them, layer by layer. SweetNight has been at this since 2010. We are talking about 45,000 square meters, 600 employees. In this industry, your equipment is your quality. You can't produce certified sleep product on low-grade machinery. Before we even look at production, this is where serious buyers start. Certifications. These aren't just labels, they are proof of compliance. Foam safety standard, fire regulations, material certification. Without these, you can't even enter global markets. Guys, let me show you something I bet you have never feel in your life, because just now what I felt, it is mind-blowing and so refreshing. Let me show you. So refreshing. It feels like it's absorbing me. I know you really want to know the details of this mattress. Actually, I really don't want to get up, but I have to continue and I want to show you the details. So I need to get up. Sean, I really don't want to get up from this because this is quite amazing, but our audience, they really want to know the details of this mattress. Could you tell us, what is this? This is amazing.
This is our cooler mattress. We developed of this mattress by ourselves. We say this mattress is cooler degree. It helps to make the sleeper sleep more deeper. This is all memory foam inside, and also with the fine some curved support foam to help the sleeper, help the users to sleep better.
Just now, Sean mentioned that this is their best-selling mattress, and I really don't doubt that. So Sean, could you tell us why it is the best-selling? Is it right that it is best-selling?
Yeah, and this is a lot of buyers, a lot of users can't wait to buy this mattress. One of the best mattresses of us.
Definitely, that's quite overwhelming from all over the world. They're getting a lot of orders about this mattress because I feel like this is quite worthy. It is so amazing, so comfortable. Guys, do you think that I'm in the playground? No! This is the great innovation by SweetNight. This is the mattress. No matter you are sleeping, no matter you are jumping on the bed, your partner won't feel it. I think this is the great innovation. You can see there is a glass of water. It's not moving. Oh my goodness. I think this is something great. In terms of the comfort, I think it's great. But I also feel that this is quite funny because we can make a lot of fun. You know, a lot of kids, they can jump on this, and I think this is amazing. Could you tell our audience what is this?
Okay, so we consider the most important mattress, most important in our home, and we consider which way and what we can do can help the sleeper and sleep deeper and more better sleeping. Maybe you have baby, maybe you have a noising a couples. So we consider develop this mattress so you can remove the movements, reduce movement transfer from others. So we develop of this, like you jump in and put another waters on this another side, you jump, no problems, it won't fall down.
Guys, I just experienced 2 great mattresses, but I can see a lot of other things. Sean, what are you actually making? Because I can see a lot of things here.
We make the mattress, and not only mattress, we make bags also, pillows also, and also made the bags liner for the bags. So we focus on the better sleeping. This is what we want to do.
Guys, they are making mattresses, they are making beds, they are making pillows, they are making sofas, they are making everything. I don't doubt that because this is the biggest factory, like 45,000 square meters. I can see a very elegant sofa over there. The color contrast is amazing. I really want to show to my audience. Can I try?
Let's try.
I really want to try this one first. The color combination is good.
Yeah.
Guys, I can say the quality standard is also amazing. Whenever you feel it, if you close your eyes, It's amazing.
It's very cozy.
Yes, and the stitching is also amazing. It has three colors like the black one,
Yeah.
white one, and the brown one. I think the design is quite good. So how do you manage the design?
We have hundreds of designers in our design team, and we just won the Muse Awards in the North Americans.
You got award from America.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty good. So if our audience, if they want to customize their design, so you also do that?
We can make their concept, we can make their idea become true.
Wow.
This is what we do.
That's amazing.
This is one more thing I need to say, that we also manage the logistics. No matter design and also production and logistics, even the customer and documents, everything, you just wait to receive at home.
Wow.
That's it.
Wow. So guys, from idea to delivery, everything is under one roof in SweetNight. A mattress is not just a product, it's an engineered structure, layer by layer. How do you ensure the layer sequence is identical across thousands of units?
We rely on our automatic machinery and our human powers to check this even sequence of the matches. First of all, you can see that our combination workshop that we put the foam and our spring will put together. But with our customization, will each layers or each density form, they will be put in different layers. So we will use our standard or the mold of the machine and we set it in a fixed standard and we'll put together. And then you can see in human bodies, they will be use their hand to fix it together and to check if there's any problems.
This single factor determines whether your mattress holds its shape or collapses with an ear. Then comes the core, pocket springs. Each spring is individually wrapped, creating what's called motion isolation. How does the spring count and the wire gauge actually change the final feel of the mattress?
Many our customer will ask us how you change the spring and the forms to change the feels of the mattress. First of all, we will change our rear gauge and the spring here. Actually, the more thicker rear gauge and more the feels of spring, which will make it more, this mattress will be more firmer and will be more supportive. You get purchase and it will be more supportive our body.
Wow, it's so smooth.
Yeah, yes. But the more spring will make it and all the thinner rear gauge.
Actually, they are the springs, but they don't feel like a spring. That's the inner beauty of the mattress.
They don't feel like, because when our human body totally lie on that, they will be not can feel wow, the spring not to hurt their body.
Now we move into production. Every layer placed in sequence, foam, springs, fabric. One wrong layer and the entire performance changes. That's why this process is controlled step by step. Before any product reaches the market, it goes through stress testing. They will check the quality like this. You can check out this roller. They will roll this for like 10,000 times to ensure the quality of this mattress, which is quite impressive. How do you verify the foam density and the chemical compliance when it comes from your suppliers?
First of all, that our foam that comes a bench of foam, they will be come from our supplier. They will be loading on the first floor. Then they will come with certification and with the test report. There are our QC parts to check that it is real. And then we'll cut a piece of to this lab. We have our special lab to check this kilograms and hit the CBM of this to check it. Like this, I can use it to check how weighs. To check it how this if this real kilograms to meet like this 56.73, that is times of the certainty of the density. And then if it is not meets the standards, and we will give it up object to our suppliers, then we will import another one's new match formed.
For buyers, this is what matters. Not just price, but process. Not just appearance, but engineering. Because sourcing the right product starts with understanding how it's made. The quality standard is quite professional. They have zero tolerance in quality standard. Could you give us a quick overview how SweetNight grew to this scale?
Okay. SweetNight is one of the most best important and biggest manufacturer in China. So our factory is not only in China, we already is in factory in Indonesia, in Mexico and Oman. So we build a factory all over the world. We are making everything so far, mattress, bags, pillows, home linens, bedding sheet in this industry.
Who are your main international buyers are?
We are all over the world.
SweetNight is a massive player. You can find them on madeinchina.com. And remember, listing is just a start. The real confidence comes from the evaluation we do here on the floor. If you need a partner who verifies your supply chain, reach out to us at Zia Sourcing. I'm the bridge between China and the world. Subscribe for more factory tours. Stay premium.